Hi guys, so we will start the session within 5 minutes. So please wait. Hi all, welcome to NextGen IT courses. So thank you for joining us today. So tonight we will start our Cybersecurity Pro bundle with SOC, which is Security Operations Center, as you already know, guys. So we have our trainer with us, Mr. Raja sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah,
Ajaz
hello
sir.
everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. So without wasting any more time, over to
Yeah,
you, sir. You can start
yeah,
the session.
just give me 2 minutes. I'm just finishing a call.
Sure,
Just
sir.
give
Take
me.
your time.
Okay.
Sure, sure. So, sir, as of now, sir is taking a call right now. So, guys, I would like to tell you something about NextGen IT courses. So, we are providing you the trainings of networking, cloud, cybersecurity courses. So, in this cybersecurity bundle, we have SOC Analyst, Certified Ethical Hacking version 13, pen testing and Palo Alto firewall with CompTIA security also. So these courses we are going to cover in the cybersecurity pro bundle. So if anyone would like to know more about, they can get in touch with their concerned counselor.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi Ajaz sir, am I audible?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hello everyone. Sorry for delay.
No problem, sir.
And can we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So, uh,
So, sir, you
let
can
me,
tell about your experience yourself, and then we can
yeah,
start the session.
right. I'm going with that. Okay. So guys, I'm in IT industry around 14 years, and I'm taking leading a SOC environment for a financial organization, that's a banking organization for US, and it's we have a lot of tools, and we are taking SIEM tool as a main part of our technologies. And apart from that, we have EDR, we have XDR, and also running some of the compliance tool. So I'm leading all those tools, and we are taking as being a part. We are monitoring the SOC, all the alerts 24 by 7 in our environment, and taking any anomalies happen into environment. So we are just going to highlight it, take it resolved, and like any threat we are getting from any suspicious activity happening, so we are identifying that. Apart from that, also I am very deeply involved with the threat hunting part. So doing a lot of creating hypotheses and creating hypotheses, running into our raw data and 1 month, 6 month, and 1 year of data as per requirement, and try to find it some of the signature matching, some of the pattern matching. So we are looking into that. Also the IOC and IOM management, MITRE framework implementation, and apart from that, also the architect side, doing a lot of stuff like planning new tools into environment, any rule modification, rule creations, and some onboarding issues are going on. So I am taking those things. So currently, this is the part of my activity, and apart from that, also all the reporting part. So in SOC, there are a lot of level of reporting like weekly security review report, and if we talk about the CISO, so monthly report is going on CISO reports. It includes all type of activity happened into our environment. So this is going to shared by directly CISO and board of directors. So I'm presenting those reports as well. So if you guys wants to move into the SOC environment, so firstly, I'm going to know about yourself and taking your interest. Why do you want to move into SOC and what you are looking for? So like it better to understand, and it's best for me also to like how to plan these classes and what type of tools we are going to introduce. So I will go with those things. Okay. If you have anything, you can raise it up. Okay. So anyone wants to like something explain about yourself and in which technology you are working as of now and what you are doing. So anyone can start. Just
So, guys, if anyone wants to introduce themselves, they can. Or if anyone wants to know about the how they can enter into the SOC role or cybersecurity domain, they can ask any query, any doubt. Sir
yeah,
will give you answer.
definitely. Also, like we can know like which technology at least I should be aware like on which technology you are there, and like someone from IT background or someone from arts and some are management background. So those people are also interested and moving into SOC. So definitely you can also do that. So if you are from technology and some other background, so at least you should let me know which you can also ping in chat like which type of environment you are working as of now and what's your experience. It also matters. Like we plan accordingly. Like if you are under 5 years of experience, so you are going with the L1. 5 to 10 years, you are going on L2. So this type of things also we need to know. Okay.
Can I know your total experience, sir, please?
Yeah, total experience you can share.
Okay. No, I'm asking you. I have not heard due to the signal issues. And can I know your total years of experience in the SOC?
My around 14 years of in IT and 12 in SOC only, and all in IT industry only. So
Oh,
being a part of network security, then I move into the SOC in cybersecurity.
okay, that's too good.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Okay. So, okay, no issue. We can move towards the SOC topics, like what we are going to cover and why we start with SOC. What is SOC? At least we should know. Let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Okay. So SOC, are you guys aware about SOC? Like if you like unmute yourself, you can ask, you can like share something, so that would be better for me as well. Okay. So what do you know about SOC? What it is and why it is on top as of now in market? Okay. No issue. Let me go with these things. So SOC is basically a security operations center. So like you in past some years you know about the NOC. There is a networking type of things, network traffic, and those things are monitored there, right? So in SOC environment, we are monitoring all type of activity happen in our environment. So it's a live monitoring system. Okay. And if we talk about the SOC monitoring, so it includes lot of monitoring tools. Like if we talk about the someone from server end, they are monitoring their servers, their Active Directory logs. Someone from firewall end, firewall team is monitoring their firewall logs. Okay, WAF is monitoring their WAF logs. So these different teams are monitoring different accounts. So that is very difficult to understand. If something happened from firewall, something happened from Windows level, so it's taking some time to action on that. So there is SOC introduced, and SOC is resolving all those issues. So SOC is a hybrid, we can say, hybrid environment where we are monitoring the WAF log, we are monitoring the firewall logs, we are monitoring the Windows logs. Okay, so all type of system security and application log we are monitoring live. Okay, so this is the environment. So how it going to help our traffic? So like see, we are collecting the logs. So this is like a SOC environment in which we have the SIEM tool. So SIEM is a tool that is monitoring all the alerts, and if something is going wrong, we can say not matching the criteria. If behavior is not matching, so on that basis, SIEM is going to trigger the alert. So there are a lot of rule has been created in SIEM tool. So lot of SIEM tools are in market. We are going to learn one of the tools like IBM QRadar or Splunk. So I preferably go with the Splunk or IBM QRadar. So any these two are the very like top on the market, and also the Sentinel. Microsoft Sentinel is also in market, that is a leading environment. So SIEM tool we are going to introduce. Then after the log collection. Log collection is like every type of log. Just I shared like WAF log, system log, security log. So all those logs are going to be taken care by SOC only. Okay. So like if someone is required for, if we talk about the reporting part, so some of the report we required our management team like firewall log. So they are not going with the firewall team. They are directly coming to us and ask like these type of report we required from firewall. Okay. So SOC team is providing all those reports from firewall team. So there is no other team involvement. We have a central data center. Like data center, we are not going to say central database we have. So there the log is kept for 1 year. So different organization having the different policy as per their government. Like which country depends on the country and their government as well. So but as of now I am working. So there is a policy of one year of data. Okay. Any doubt? Okay, so TI part, threat intel part is also a lot of threat intel, AI based threat intel is included into the same tools and the other tools. Those tools like the EDR tools is fully based on the AI. Also, we have the XDR tools. So XDR is also doing a lot of stuff from market. They're capturing all the anomalies from market, and they're notify us before the attack going to be happen. So we are taking the indicators from there and we are going to block it to save our environment. So TI is also a part of the SOC. Then after the knowledge base, it means we have the threat intel, we have the our systems. So we are going to utilize that knowledge base and going to implement those indicators into our environment. So if we can block, like some ransomware attack happened today, so we have to block someone like Japan. Just consider in Japan someone ransomware attack happened. So on that basis, we capture the IOC, like what type of IP involvement there, what type of file hashes are there. So those things we capture from TI tools and we are blocking it into our environment before happening it to our environment. Like this is called proactive approach. So SOC is working on the proactive approach as well. Okay. Ticketing part. So in terms of ticketing, we are using the tools ServiceNow. Someone is using Jira. So these ticketing tools we are also using. So like this is a database we have, like task generate. We are generating the task. We are generating the incident on behalf of every high severity alerts. So we are going to see like what is the severity and priority as well. So something happened, some like DDoS happened, some server level of attack happened. Okay, some brute force is happening on like some admin accounts, some of the servers admin accounts. So this is going to be very difficult to us. So on that part, we are going to raise some of P1 incident and bringing all the teams that is required to resolve it. So all the teams are going to join that breach call, and we are also providing the logs and everything whatever they required. So these things we are also using the ticketing tools as well. Okay. Research and development, this is a part of TH only, threat hunting part. So we are doing that, and also like we are creating some of the new rules into the SIEM, like that matches, that trigger some of the new type of alert. It secure our environment very deeply. So these things we are also doing from the research side. Okay. Aggregation and correlation, so that rule is called correlation rules. Like why correlation? Because it is relating two of the parameter, one whatever the happening and what is into our environment. So that is called the correlation rule. So rule is we are writing the rules to trigger the alert here in the SIEM tool. Okay, SIEM, you can say the EDR also. So it based on the rules only. So we have to create the rules. Also nowadays the SOAR is also introduced. So SOAR is a fully cloud based and it is having the more efficient in terms of SIEM and other tools, but that cost is too much high, around 5 to 10 times of higher than the SIEM tool. So this is going to be like some of the breakings, but SIEM is widely used nowadays in cybersecurity environment. Okay, in doubt? Alright guys, so SOC functions. So these functions what we are using, like and everyone is using, like alert management and response. So there is a 5 incident response cycle. So those people who are associated with the IR team, so they are aware like preparation, identification, so uh, containment, eradication, and action and objective. So these type of things, everyone is aware about the incident response type of cycle. So these are these things we are going to see in details, like log management. So we are going to learn how to learn read the raw log data. Okay, so raw log analysis we have to perform as well. So like cybersecurity is fully based on the logs. So you are going to play with logs. So anyhow, you need to aware all the logs, what type of, like, it's firewall log, it's Windows log, okay, it's WAF log. So every log, if something is in raw format, so definitely that is very difficult to understand. So we are going to see, like, how to read those raw logs. So the compliance part, like, it's the part of the audit mostly, like, something is compliance, meeting the compliance or not. So it's sometimes happen like every quarter, every yearly, happening the internal and external audits, and also some of the ISO type of audits also happen. So the compliance team, there is a called GRC team, so they are auditing, but the data required, we are providing the data. Being a SOC, we are providing all those data, whatever they required. Okay, like, prevention and proactive monitoring, so like, to prevent any attack, and any anomalies, we have to find out what is happening into our environment. So we need to aware all those things. And security intelligence, already we have some of the TI vendors as well, like Gartner is providing nowadays very good TI, and IBM X Force is providing also a good TI. EY is working also on part of threat intel. So these vendors are providing some of the paid threat intel. Apart from that, we are also using some of the tools like Rapid7, and some open source tools. So on that part, we can get the some of the TIs from market. Okay. Recovery and remediations, like, in that terms, like something happened, some malware attack happened, something happened, and that is a true positive. So how we are recovering from that attack, and if something happened, some malware attack happened, some ransomware happened, so how we are recovering from that scenario, that attack, and now the containment and eradication. So every part we are going to see in the security operations center. Okay, so these are the some functions of like SOC team is using, but there is we can say, drawback of the stock, it's going to run 24 by 7. So if someone is looking for like a day type of shift only, so definitely this is not for those people. But yeah, it's 24 by 7, but mostly the girls are getting preferred for day shift. So right, people are understanding the situation and they are providing, but it's 24 by 7 running. So every shift, there is three shifts, so every shift some of the people is required there. Okay, mostly nowadays, we can say 70% of SOC is, people are doing work from home. So it's a good facility, and they are also having the good benefit from like getting the work from home there. Okay, any doubt, guys, here?
Yes, sir. In terms of tools, for what tools would you cover in this program actually? Because
Yeah, yeah. So, what's your background?
I have like 5 years of experience, so it is more of into knock and
Cannot. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so we are going to like, very deeply understand the SIEM tool. So SIEM Splunk is we are going to understand. So you worked on a Splunk in New York?
No, no. In the current environment, we don't have any tool as such. Basically, what we do is so for some clients,
Hmm.
we get the alerts to for Outlook. Okay, and for
Okay.
some, whenever there is any what you call firewall outage, or if
Hmm.
there's any account that needs to be reset, it's more of monitoring only what we do from our end.
Okay. Okay. So the SOC monitoring is fully based on the tools. Okay.
Right.
So we have like onboarded all the log sources in terms of like your desktop is generating some of the log, right? Your
Right.
server is generating some of the log, firewall is generating log. So all those log sources we are onboarded to like SIEM. Okay. Also, we have installed some of the our agents, EDR agents into all the systems and servers, like CrowdStrike, okay, or Microsoft Defender. So we are going to cover in this module. We are going to cover the SIEM, Splunk. We are going to cover. So we are going to install. We are going to generate the logs, okay, and I will provide some of the raw logs directly, and we can put it and going with the analysis part. We also the false positive and true positive in the cases we are going to see, okay, all the patterns and how to import the data, how to do create some of the dashboards, reports. So each and everything we are going to see in same part, okay. Apart from that, we are also going to take the EDR. So in EDR, we are going to with the Microsoft Defender, okay, in this module.
Okay.
So these two tools. Apart from that, some of the MX toolbox for email and phishing email analysis. That is a third-party tool. Okay, virus
Okay.
total as tool. So we are going to check that. Palos. I think in NOC you are going to use
Right.
Palo Alto, Panorama.
No, we use only
Okay, okay, got it.
parallel to firewall monitoring is what we do generally.
Okay, so we have in SOC, we have the Palos. Okay,
Mhm.
so in Palos, there is a console panorama, so we are using that. So, but that is not a freeware, and we are not going to install the firewall, right? So, I will cover in slides. I will capture the live logs. Okay, and I will capture the screenshot of all the deny, allowed, and those type of traffics in PPT, and I will cover those things as well.
Okay.
Okay, and like general attacks, like how to do the malware analysis
Mhm.
using the SIEM, using the EDR, and using the third party. Okay, how to remediate that. So all those things we are going to learn, and I would recommend you guys to this stock is also including you can include the CEH or any other certification like Palos. Okay, so that would be better for you. So that's why I am interested to understand your like criteria, like your background, like what you're doing and what. So okay, we'll see in upcoming classes and we'll guide accordingly, like what type of certification you required, because CompTIA Security Plus, CEH, these are the some of the widely used certification in market. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so maximum hiring companies are looking into that. And you know about all the things like ATS is picking the CVs, right? From
Hmm.
Naukri.com and over there. So
Hmm.
they having some of the filters in cybersecurity profiles like CEH and CompTIA and Palos. Okay. So if you have those certifications, so that would be better. I'm not saying that is necessary and 100% compulsory, but yeah, that is definitely going to impact you.
Okay.
Okay. And apart from that, also, we are going to guide you for official certification from the Splunk. So sometimes it's free, sometimes it's not. So when it's like free, I will let you know, guys. This time it's free and it's fully as an analyst level and for the administrator level. So both the certifications is in October 2025 this year. It was free, and I don't check as of now it is free or not, but after 1 month or 2 month or 3 months they are opening the caps and they are provided it free. Okay, so I will guide you.
Okay.
Any other doubts?
Sir, fee structure and duration, whom to check?
These things institute will contact to you guys. Okay,
Okay.
and you can contact with them like timings. And so mostly if you are looking the timings, so I am going to discuss with the institute, and it's around 9:30, not 9. Okay, because sometimes my official call is going to be extend, so it's little bit like just like today, it's 10 to 15 minutes are going to be extend. So I will schedule it by 9:30. Okay, or if you are free in day, so as per institute recommendation, you will discuss with them. Okay.
Just one question.
Yeah.
Mm, the
Yeah.
9:30 is it a weekend batch or a weekdays batch?
Weekdays backs,
So
Monday to
so you
Friday.
don't have any. So you don't have any weekend batch, so, which is starting
Yeah,
from 9.
we have weekend west. It's already going, so it's going to be end by next week. So other batches are also running. So definitely, the institute will like you can contact to institute and they will guide you.
Yes, Pritam, you can get in touch with our counselor. So
Yeah.
our weekday
Okay.
timings are 9 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. And for weekend, it will be Saturday, Sunday, 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. So like Saturday, Sunday, 2 hour classes there. So for this, you can get in touch with our counselor. And as of now, we can focus on the content and everything. All right, Pritam.
Yes, yes, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
That's
so much.
Okay. Any other people join this call from NOC or the IT support, like technical support type of role? Anyone? Okay. Anyone from HR background? Okay. Go ahead and okay. So
Sir, I have to ask one question.
yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I wanted to know, like, will you be covering the like a real-time malware based scenario, like real-time case study, like because in most of the times in interview it is asked like what type of true positive malware incident you have handled.
Right.
So yeah. So any like
Definitely. So
yeah.
okay. Complete your question.
Yeah, so mostly whichever the like malware or any type of like ransomware recently occurred and recently known, so that type of ransomware or malware, how we handled and how we like safeguard the like systems and all. So how we
Right.
handle overall malware incident analysis. So
Uh,
that kind of like scenario will you be covering?
Right. Definitely. We are going to understand and we are going to learn all those things. Okay, and in terms of malware, so I tried to download one malware in my system last time, and I need to format that system on that time because it was fully captured my system. So I captured already the hash of that malware. Okay, so and I have the files, and I we can go with the tools like the investigation part. Okay, so all the things we can do, we can check their hashes, their path, and their command line on everything. But the downloading part, I don't suggest to download any malware into your system because it's not your official system to like you have some heavy EDR or like those type of tools, right? So definitely to removing 100% the footprint of the any malware is very difficult. So your organization is also saying like I removed some of the malware, some of the ransomware, or like they have there is a one option, one thing that is like they are going to hide their something some footprints and all in your system. Okay, so that's why the formatting is better. Some malware is downloaded into your personal system. I'm not recommending for the official system, for personal system. So definitely your formatting is the good way to go. But I captured all those details I have. So definitely we are going to understand how we'll go to remove and how we'll go to analyze. So definitely you're going to see the live things there. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we can go with the SIEM part also, the EDR also. So these two tools we are going to cover for the malware analysis, how we captured and all those things, and the scanning part, like how do we scan, how we block those malware into our environment. So malware, how we capture the like IOCs. Okay, like indicators we can say in terms of IPs, in terms of URL and hash values. So how we check, how we analyze those are malicious, and how we are going to be conclude like it is a malware or not, it is a something normal file. So we have to analyze that from the different tools. So we are not going to rely on single tool. We are going with the other third party tools and our paid tools. And then after we are going to conclude that like this is a malware and this is a true positive case. Okay. Okay, so apart from that, also we are going for the phishing part. So already like phishing is the most highly uh, happening nowadays in market. So every occasion like Christmas, first year, or any Black Friday sale. So every time someone is sending the mail to you, and there is some hyperlink, some of the malware, some of the other type of malicious content are there, and you are going to compromised. So definitely the attack is happening by two types. One is the very famous is intervention is required. So someone something you are clicking over there, so definitely you are like authorizing your account and your ID and password you are authorizing, then after that is going to be captured your system. So that is most widely happened in market. So these things we are also going to analyze, like email header, how we analyze the header, how we block those content, and how we analyze like this is the phishing or not phishing. So these things we are also going to be cover. Okay. Apart from that, we are going to like have the cyber kill chain MITRE framework, how we implement the MITRE framework into our environment with alerts and all. So those things we are also going to learn. And if you are going with the some of the other trainings like CEH and firewall training, so the counselor will guide you like how to what they are going to be cover and all. So okay, any other doubt? Okay, let's move further. I think yeah, this is the last one. So benefit of getting a SOC for a cyber security, like a SOC, and like what is the benefit to implement the SOC? Like SOC is the name is very short. It's SOC, but it is a very huge thing. Like it is having a lot of like highly paid tools, highly skilled like analyst. If you have, you need to aware about the all the network things. So networking should your networking background should be very highly sound, highly technical sound. Okay, so we are going to see cover 2 to 3 classes, the basic of networking. So the mostly used topics we are going to cover in deep. Okay, so then after the SOC environment, so analyst is aware about like malware analysis, like log analysis, how do we use the logs and how to read the logs. So all those things you are going to understand. Then after the patterns, the IOC, the intel, where you are going to take the intel. So all those things. Okay. Then after the types, the analysis of the alert. So if you are under brute force, so definitely you are going to check like it's interactive, non-interactive, logon type, like what type of code it is sending. Okay, it is something someone is trying to guess your password, or someone is manually doing, or bot is doing. So all those things definitely you are going to be aware. So it's a highly skilled analyst is required in the SOC. Okay, enhanced security measures means it is uh, a console where everyone is using on single console and centralized console. So that's why the security is enhanced definitely, because if something is happened on Windows level, firewall level, so everything is monitored from single console. I think someone is sending the message. Then after yes, Rahul, you were saying something?
Yes, sir. I actually, sir, I have near about 4 year working experience as a network engineer. My
Okay.
question is that without doing firewall courses, do I
Mhm.
go for SOC?
Yeah, SOC and firewall is little different, like huge difference. Like if you are from networking, so you are very close to firewall, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in cybersecurity, you are dealing just for the logs part. In firewall networking, you are going to administrating all the tools, like all the firewalls, their rules, creations, and all. But in cybersecurity, you are going to capture the logs from the firewall. You are not going to admin that tool, that firewall. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you something required to admin and like something changes on required on firewall, so definitely you are going to
No,
reach
sir,
with
my question is that, sir, without working in the firewall,
yeah.
do I go for SOC? Is it
Yeah, see why have you researched like why SOC the people are preferring the SOC? Because see, it's a combine of technology, okay? You are
mm-hmm.
going to analyze the firewall as well, you are going to analyze the Windows as well, the WAF as well. So everything, it is the uh, like combination of every technology, okay? And why like the widely range, it is widely used. So every organization is definitely going to monitor their anomalies, and
Mm-hmm.
cybersecurity is booming because when you are going with the number of vacancy for any organization, so see there is a two firewall engineer that can admin, because once the firewall is established and it's working, so only the sometimes some law creations, some rule creations and some admin type of activity is required, so only 2 to 3 people are managing those things, right? So number of
Mm-hmm.
vacancy in cybersecurity is more. So if you are looking for the great opportunity, like the switching is easy and the number of vacancies are more, so definitely I refer you to go with the cybersecurity. Definitely,
Okay.
firewall is also a good carrier. There is no doubt. It is having the different vendor like Palos, Cisco. So they have a lot of certifications, and somewhere you work on the Palo, somewhere you work on Cisco. So lot of learnings and lot of packages are also there. So it depends on you where you are interested in cyber security or in firewall. So it depends on your interest as well.
Okay.
Okay. Any other doubt, guys? Okay. So these are the something part the like we trying to understand the SOC. So
Just sorry to interrupt to you.
yeah,
One question. If anyone interested to do Palo Alto and FTD, then he can able to take the training. I mean to say
yeah,
that would be good.
we have the Palos training as well.
Mm.
So you need to contact with the counselor or institute, like whoever is contacting with you. So
Mm.
they can guide you accordingly, like when the batch is like weekend or weekdays. So definitely they will guide to you. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Mm.
We have a lot of vets on weekdays
And the
also and
FTD
weekend
part,
also.
the organization is providing the FTD, the firepower,
Which one?
Cisco, Cisco FTD, firepower.
I'm not aware of those things. You need to contact with the institute or counselor, like
I
who is
will I
contacting
will
to you.
get in touch with you.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Any other doubts, guys? Any questions? Like in security, more you talk, more you learn. So these things are like one code we required always. Definitely, if something, some attack happened, you are just assuming that. So assumption is not not acceptable in the SOC environment, because when you assume, definitely there is some breach is going to happen. So don't assume, just ask. And if something is not, you are not aware, just ask in SOC, because a lot of things are on daily basis. You know about 0 day. So 0 day is one attack. Any attack happened on the first day, on first time in like involved. Like there is no remediation, there is no SOP, there is no IOC, nothing is there. So that is called 0 day. Okay, so we are not aware about those new type of attack, and those new attacks go with the Russian Federation attacks, some of the Chinese attacks. So go on cbdetails.com, and there a lot of vulnerabilities, a lot of attacks you can find it out. Okay, so something is looking new, definitely research about that and try to understand. If not, so go with the some senior level and try to ask. Don't quite into the SOC environment. So you're like, if you are silent and something happened, so whole team is going on like to fired, and lot of critical things is going to be happen. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So tomorrow, or like when the institute will like organize a call, so we'll join again. Okay, and we'll continue this batch. So
Yes, sir.
if
Tomorrow.
you have doubt, and definitely you are going to learn. So I'm going to work for you. I'm going to guide. Okay, but you need to also like do the your hard work as much as possible. So like both the side like contribution is required. So then after we are going to switch the job, right?
So guys, if anyone have any doubt, they can ask. This is the right time.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm good from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Roger.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Sid.
I have one question. I am a student of, I am learning a CHV13,
Okay.
and then I have joining the SOC class. That was the right time for me.
You learned the CH before?
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, present time.
Okay. So like what kind of things you learned there? Like in penetration testing.
Sir, footprinting
Yeah.
or sniffing,
Yeah.
malware and create a malware.
Yeah. So you learned like how to create, like there is two things in the security. One is offensive and one is defensive. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you learn already the offensive security. You did all the attacks, like create the malware and try to deploy, right? So these
Yes,
things,
sir. And how to detect the malware.
yeah, right. So SOC is mostly part of the defensive security. Okay, it works on like how to detect the malware in our environment. Something happened, so how we detect, how we remediate. So in CH you learn about how to do, right? How
Yes, sir.
to
Fundamentals.
fundamentals. But in SOC environment, you are going to learn how to detect that anomalies and how to remediate that. If something happened, so how to recover from there. So these things, if you go with the SOC part after the CS, I think you are going to cover end to end in the process, like creating the malware to detecting the malware to remediate the malware, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I would recommend you to go with the SOC part. That definitely going to help you. So in which domain you are learning, like BTech or what?
Sir, BCA.
BCA, okay, right. It's a technical degree, so definitely you are going to switch the job, and move into the cybersecurity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other questions, guys?
Sir, Rahul this side.
Yes, Rahul.
Sir, my question is that I have a BCom background, and
Okay.
I am a network engineer, near about 4 year experience.
Okay.
Uh, After doing the course of SOC, do I have to do other things also?
Already you are in network, right?
No.
So,
Right now I am not in job.
okay. So, do you have gap?
Yes, sir.
So, in networking, you did 4 years, right? So, in that 4 years,
Ye-
you have any certification like CCNA, CCNP?
No. I have done only CCNA
Okay.
and not doing any certification.
So, how many years of gap there? Like after your job and as of now?
Uh, uh, Sir, my job is not continue.
Okay.
Uh,
So see, like we are aware about those things like the organization, right? So if
mhm,
something you are going with the top MNCs, okay,
mhm,
so they are also looking towards your gap as well. So
mhm,
before the I say May 2025, so there is a graduation required for this all the jobs in India as well, right?
mhm,
So now time also they are requiring all the graduation guys, but they are looking towards more the technical one. So if you have some technical certification, okay, technical sound is good. Like this is only for your CV selection process, okay.
mhm.
So once your CV got selected, so definitely you are going to be interview and going to be clear the interview after the class, but your CV selection and all those things are definitely it depends on your background, like what you did in past as well. Okay.
Okay.
So from the class wise, definitely you are going to clear the interview, but you need to well represent your background as well. Like if you have gap of 1 year, try to fulfill that gap with your medical certifications and those type of things. Okay, try to keep that, or try to keep some of the certification like in past CCNA or 1 year of PG diploma type of things, so that would also
Mhm.
going to be help you.
Okay. Sir, last thing.
Yeah.
Do I have need to do other things, or stock is only?
SOC or like go with the CH certification. I would recommend everyone. Okay. So why CH? Because just we discussed already, like your CV is going to be select via some of the ATS. Okay. Some of the tools. Okay, over naukri.com. So they are looking into the CH. Some of the company client standard is also required. Like someone is looking, we required 5 analysts and all required the CH certified or CompTIA Security Plus certified. So more than like in CompTIA, there are mostly the things is operational part, but in CS a lot of things are technical. So you can go with, I recommend the CH is more like when you are going with the Japanese organization, okay, or so in Japanese and UK based organization, so they are like having the good value for the CH. They are recommending like when you are clear the interview, so they are going to provide the time and money as well to get the certify for CH. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, sir, I would like to add some more points. So,
Yeah.
Rahul, as you earlier told that you have completed your BCom. So, we have one enrolled student with us. Her name is Pooja. So she's
Mhm.
also in this session. So she's already completed BCom and right now she's having around 5 years of experience as a SOC engineer.
Mhm. Sir,
So
my thing is I am interested towards firewall, and if I get chance, so I am looking forward to SOC also.
no problem. You
Do
can
I
do one.
need to do?
No problem. For this, you can do one thing. You can get in touch with our counselor. So tomorrow you will be getting a call by our counselor, and they will guide you for your like they will going to clear all your doubts. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
So guys, any more questions?
Yes, actually, hi, this is Sandeep Bilare, this side. Uh, my experience is on the underlying network like IP technologies, router and switches, right?
Okay.
So, almost I have 10 years, more than 10 years experience on this technology, IP technology. And recently, actually, my colleague also joined this program today's call.
Okay.
So, Mr. Sujit Muchande is also in this call. Okay. So we are basically from same organization. We are working for the telecom company. Recently, we moved to 3 4 months back. We have moved to on a cloud technology project. So we are working on Microsoft Azure as well as AWS and GCP. So
Okay.
we have just started to work on this cloud technology. Okay, so we are going through these kind of reports. So we were just interested in this kind of reports. So is it going to help us this program?
So report, which type of report? Can you repeat
Yeah,
again?
right. This is this kind of malware, and
Okay.
so we have to mitigate few uh, this kind of alarms
So
and yeah.
okay.
Mostly
So
CNAP
one
reports.
question is there.
CNAP reports.
Your Azure or your cloud environment is where monitored? Like who is monitoring your
There is
cloud environment?
no, there is one team, and also uh, I don't have that much knowledge, but there are few external agencies also there. They
Okay.
are providing a report to us, and
Okay.
we are working on that
So you
report.
are doing the administrative part, right?
Right.
So those team, those are monitoring your tools. Okay. So that is called the SOC team. So they are the
Okay.
part of the SOC. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
So they are monitoring all the servers that you created the VM on one server, right? Or
Okay.
the Google Cloud server or Azure server, right? And
Mm.
they are monitoring all those logs from their end as well.
Okay.
So those things, the Azure environment is also getting monitored. AWS environment is also getting monitored by the SOC team only.
Okay.
Right. So they are monitoring your environment 24 by 7, and if something is happened, so they are going to highlight you. Or if
Okay.
something required to like uh, some changes is required, so they are going to let you know like this type of changes required, or so these things they are monitoring from their console. So definitely this part, if you are looking, move further from that admin part. Okay, like admin part is very limited, right?
Right.
So if you are looking something out from the admin part, so definitely you should go with the SOC part or cyber security. So cyber security is not only with SOC. SOC is the just a part of the cyber security. Okay, when you entered when you learn something, when you are do something regarding log analysis and malware analysis. Okay, so there is a part of the threat hunting, so this is a more than the SOC.
Okay.
Then after the GRC part is also like they are governing, they are checking the compliance of the tools as per the parameter. Like there are a lot of frameworks, just going like 27,001. Okay, SOC 2 is also HIPAA is also a parameter. Okay, so these are also the compliance tools. So, compliance team, so they are auditing. So this is also the part of the security, cyber security. Then IAM team, one of the administrative team we can say. So they are also the part of the security. And if we are going above that, so there is a penetration tester are there. So they are testing the environment. They're trying to deploy the malware into our environment, testing a lot of things. So this is also a branch of the cybersecurity.
Okay.
So this is just a branch, a small branch, but this is the center branch. You can say like every branch is associated with the SOC. If something happened with penetration testing, they are coming to SOC. Someone is something required for the GRC compliance, they are coming to SOC. So SOC is a centralized point.
Okay. Okay, got this.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, guys. So we are going to conclude here and we'll continue. Okay. And for further information, the more information you require, contact with the institute and they will guide you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. So if you have any query related to the enrollment part or anything, you can get in touch with our counselors. And I just mentioned a number over the chat. You can just note down the number if you guys want to know about the admission fee, anything. Okay, guys, you can note down the number from the chat itself.